The next case study is slightly different from what you saw this. This is a case where they already had data collected. This is a packaging firm. They do the packaging tapes, and the real problem was around the bubble pops which happen. When a bubble pop happens, just to put it simple, they have to stop the operation. Somebody has to go up there, tear up the whole thing. It takes around 30-40 minutes for them to restart the line. The 30-40 minutes, the amount of productivity loss, as much as you would see 1.3 pops per line per day. Just multiply and then see the math with it, and then this is a tangible cost with just the pop, but then the indirect costs associated with it, the lost time in manufacturing good parts and so on. So we worked purely on a data engagement with them to get the data which they had already collected from different lines. There were a bunch of data cleanup we had to do because it was not clean. We had a lot of standardization to do, eliminate some junk data. But again, another good example. People say, we have got tons of data, we are already collecting data. Unless you go and say, I will not believe any of those, because yes, you have data, but what is the quality of the data? How much I can really put it to use? So there is a lot of work we had to do to get to a point which is with which we can create models. But I'll be very proud to say that we created models which gave 95% accuracy of predicting the ideal operating conditions where the bubble pop was almost eliminated. So this is a reverse case. It's not predicting your bubble pop. It is more like telling you the process control parameters. They're like 300, 400 little valve pressures and every little thing. So what is the ideal parameters of all those process control under which your bubble pop has been minimal? It would have been a tribal knowledge. It would have taken a trial and error and so much of somebody's head what they do, but it's still not science. So what we did was a data science based project and gave this outcome, and happy customer. Again, very different kind of journey. No IoT involved, pure data play, but it's usually a combination of both which gives you the success.